Hi everyone, now it's actually we are in UIBC. I'm actually talking to a lady now, her name is Karen. Karen, what do you do?
I'm a life coach and I help small business people. To develop a powerful inner success voice for their business.
So what is it that's so important to others?
Because when you don't have a powerful success voice, you are not persistent. You can stop doing what you want. You are not in action. You are procrastinating, and you are not like you can do. You are not full of all in. You are not doing what you are meant to do. So when you have a powerful voice, it supports you. It helps you. It helps you get whatever you need to get the success you want.
Okay, I actually agree to Karen because I have a lot of little voice, a lot of strugglings in myself too. So Karen, I just want to check with you. If I want to learn more things from you, where should I actually look for you?
You can go to www.innersuccesstalk.com and then you can see 6 steps that can help you start your power voice together now.
Alright, thanks Karen. I'll definitely go to your site after this seminar. Thanks everyone.
Thank you. Thank you.